Okay, I have an original effect to show you today, and this is based on a series I created fairly recently devoted to odd size packets and shuffles for odd size packets. Okay, so let's go ahead and just mix these thoroughly, and we'll need just 9 random cards for this effect. So let me go ahead and try to gather these. Okay, and you could actually choose these cards. Okay. Or a spectator can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so let's just mix these thoroughly. Okay, and then as the spectator, go ahead and gather those up. And when you're content with the mixing of the cards, just hand them to me, the performer. Now I'm going to show you the identity of the top card. Now since I don't have the spectator, I'll have to see that card, unfortunately. But normally you would not see this as the performer, and you just set it back down. Tell the spectator that you're going to lose your card completely in this packet of 9 so that no one knows where it is. Okay, so the first mixing that we're going to do is called the Monge shuffle, and it comes in 2 varieties, an over-under and an under-over. Okay, so which of those 2 would you like? An over-under? Okay, so let me show you how that works. You push the top card into your other hand, and you go over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. Okay, now what I need you to do is in your mind's eye, think of the 4 suits of playing cards and put them in whatever order you would like. Okay, and once you have an order in mind, let me know. Okay, which suit is first in your ordering? Hearts. Okay, so H-E-A-R-T-S. What about the second suit? Diamonds. D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S. Okay, what about the third one? Clubs. C-L-U-B-S. And I believe that leaves spades. S-P-A-D-E-S. Okay. Now, are you content with the spelling of the 4 suits, or would you like to spell one of them just one more time? And if so, which one? Diamonds. D-I-A-M-O-N-D-S. Okay. Well, I think you would have to agree that no one could possibly know ahead of time the choices that you would make, especially the ordering of those 4 suits, and the fact that you chose to have diamonds spelled out a second time. So there's really no way I could know anything about these cards. Just to mix them further, we're going to use a powerful shuffle. It's called the Chardelier 1. Okay, so it's a Chardelier shuffle in which you move 1 card at a time. So let me show you how it works. So you move the top card into your other hand, and then the bottom single card goes on top, top card to the bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top, top to bottom. Okay, so I just need to ask you one question. Is this your card? Now the spectator is going to look at you and maybe smile like, you blew it, guy, because that is not their card. Okay, so you let them relish the fact that you supposedly have blown the routine, and then you just smile at them and say, well, it can't be your card because your card is right here. Okay, so that's a very simple effect using some of the principles taught in the series I will link in the description below. And so with principles and techniques taught in that series, you can create countless card magic using odd size packets. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.